Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unbox Tecno Spark 30C in 2020 new model. It's simple. You first remove your phone from the box as this. So that is how it costs in Ghana. Tecno Spark C has it, and then that's 128 and then 8 gig. Then 4 years one. That's how to unlock it. I'm unlocking it. Yeah. Wow. Wow. That's great. 128 and 4G. 4 gig. You have your phone. That's the phone itself. Wow. That's it. Then you open it down. You have your phone cover. Single phone cover, the white one. You have your charger cord. You have your charger head. New one. Yes. New one. You have your earpins. That's new one. That's new one. You have your SIM pin. This one you use it to remove the SIM from the lock. Then you have your 1 year warrant. Yes, that's how it is. That's great. Tecno Spark 30C. That's your charger. It's got this one is Type C. This one is not under charger. It's Type C. Wow. Tecno Spark 30C is using Type C charger with your. Let's on the phone and see. We are going to unbox the phone itself now. That's great. The phone is having 120 Hz, 4 years warrant. Yes, this is how you place your back cover. Yes, your rubber back cover. Make it amazing nicely. That's great. Wow. I'm now to on it so that you see what is inside the phone. Even though the camera is not complete as compared to Tecno Como 20. Yes, but it's somehow manageable. The camera is somehow manageable. The phone is on. This is the pin you use to unlock while the I'm unboxing the charger, and I'm to fix the charger to the charger head. That is how it is. So you now plug it to your light. It's charge fast. So we are going to go inside the phone. Yes. Wow. This is a new Spark 30C 30C 2020. Yeah, that has come to replace Spark 10 and all those things. Wow. So the camera is quality. The video too is good. So the only thing that I have to do is now is to set the email and all those things. Wow, the phone is so great. Let's look at the specs in the setting.